These are the notes that are going to go over how to name and write hydrates. So you will use the prefixes as shown here for the number of waters you have in your hydrate. So a hydrate is a compound that has water in it. 1 for mono, 2 for di, 3 for tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, 9 nona, and 10 deca. So these are the same prefixes you use for covalent compounds. Okay, so here's our first example. These are on page 5 of your notes. So notice it says zinc sulfite heptahydrate. The beauty of these is that we've already learned how to do most of this. We're just combining some skills now. So let me get my pen adjusted here. So you're going to name this with the steps because it starts with a metal. So to remember what those steps are, so it would be zinc plus 2 and SO3 2 minus, and then zinc plus 2, SO3 2 minus. So parentheses, bring my 2's down, and then reduce. And then these become this, the ones go away. So then the first part of the hydrate is just named just like we would do ionics. And then you're going to put a big dot, and then however many waters you have. Hepta is 7, so 7 H2O. Okay, that's example 1. Example 2, so we know this is a +1 because the Roman numeral. We know this is a -2. So this will be Cu2 SO3. That would be go through the 5 steps if you don't remember, like I just showed you. And then this would be monohydrate, so H2O. And you don't put the 1 in front. Example 3, we know this is a +2 and a -1, so you're doing the 5 steps. I'm just not showing all the 5 steps. You can go through those if you still need those. Dot 4, because there's 4 waters. This is a +1 and a -1, so it'll be LiNO3 dot 3 H2Os. Okay, so again, you're doing the plus and minus rules, the crisscross reduce rules for the front part, and then you're going to put a big dot, like a time symbol, and then however many waters. Hydrate means water. So this is a +1 and a -2, so this will be Na2 SO3 10 H2O. Okay, so now going the opposite way, we'll apply the same kind of process that we did before. We'll split this. We'll say this does not need Roman numerals, so I'll just name this sodium sulfate. So remember the rules before where we'd split it. If it doesn't need Roman numerals, we just name the 2 splits, and then decahydrate. The deca is for 10, hydrate is for water. Okay, we're going to split this. We see that lithium does not have a roommate, so lithium nitrate, because there's 3 hydrates. Here we're going to split this. Copper does have a roommate, so we have to do the math. Whenever they have a roommate, the unit is SO3. They are -2, and there's 1 of them because there's no parentheses, so this side is -2. I'm not sure if I just said -2 or -3. -2 times 1, so that's a -2. SO3 is the unit. Over here, then, we have to have a +2 divided by 2 because of that 2. So this math comes out to a 1. So this would be named as copper, Roman numeral 1, sulfite, and then trihydrate. Okay. Example 9, split it. Calcium does not have a roommate, so calcium nitrate dihydrate. And last example, split this. Sodium doesn't have a roommate. Sodium, let me try that again. Because sodium doesn't have a roommate, we're just going to name the 2 halves. Sodium perchlorate, monohydrate. Normally we see mono because that distinguishes that we did intend to only have 1. So in this case, we would be putting the monos in, monohydrate. Please reach out if you have any questions. You are now to do page 18 for homework.